So hello guys, assalamu alaikum. So welcome to my channel. So today I'd like to talk about Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a country in South Asia, and Bangladesh is independent on 1971 in 16 December. The capital city in Bangladesh is Dhaka, and the second capital city in Bangladesh is Chittagong. We all know that Dhaka is known as the largest city in Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a very much beautiful country. It have a great culture. It have a lot of things to do. Bangladesh is very much beautiful because of their peoples. The local peoples are very much good, and this transport in our country, one of the most well-known transport in Bangladesh is Rishka. And we all know that the peoples of Bangladesh is very much good. They talk very hospitalized for all the peoples, all the person in the world from in the any time. And you all know that Bangladesh is full name is People's Republic of Bangladesh, and this is a very much good country because of some outstanding facts. The Cox's Bazar is the stunning, outstanding, and awesome beach in Bangladesh. And we like to visit the beach known as Cox's Bazar. It's one of the most beautiful place and one of the most having a lot water, and the peoples of different countries, different places visit the Cox's Bazar for the beautiful blue. And we all know that Cox's Bazar is only for visitors. You can visit there and having a great fun. We all know that only one thing in our country is known as Royal Bengal Tiger. It's situated on Sundarban. Sundarban is known as a very particularly place in Bangladesh. Bangladesh have Sundarban, so it is one of the most great and a vast, huge, and economical things for our country. And we all know that in our country, our finances are very fantastic growing up. Bangladesh culture is the culture is Punjabi and Shari. In Bangladesh, we also know some specific things are we all know that it is known as the peoples of our countries. They're near about 1.69 million, and this is the population of Bangladesh. And the bordering countries of Bangladesh is Myanmar and India. And the nearest country in Bangladesh, it's known as the nearest, not bordering. There are Pakistan, Uzbekistan, and also Kazakhstan. And if you far from our country, it could be China, Japan, Indonesia, and etc. This is all about Bangladesh, and I'm very excited to live in Bangladesh. So goodbye guys, have a great day.